Here's how to pay employee commissions in Gusto step by step. Start by signing in to your Gusto account. Once you are in the dashboard, go to People. This is where you can view and manage individual employee records. So it is the place to begin when you need to add a commission payment for one specific employee. From the People section, select the employee who will receive the commission. Make sure you open the correct employee profile before moving forward, especially if you are handling payroll updates for more than one person. The commission will be attached to the employee record you choose here. After the employee profile opens, go to that employee's Pay tab. This section contains the pay-related settings and entries connected to that employee, including extra compensation items that can be added outside of regular wages or salary. Within the Pay tab, scroll down until you find the Additional Earnings section. When you see it, click Add. This opens the area where you can create a new earning entry for the employee. Since a commission is being paid as an additional earning, this is the correct section to use. When the earning type options appear, select Commission. This tells Gusto how the payment should be categorized in payroll. Using the correct earning type matters here because it helps keep the employee's pay record organized and ensures the amount is included in payroll under the right label. Next, enter the commission amount. After that, complete any other required fields that appear on the form, such as notes or the applicable pay period. The exact fields may vary depending on your payroll setup, so review what is shown on screen and fill in anything required before saving. If there is a notes field, use it only for relevant payroll details tied to the commission entry. Once the information is entered, review the commission details carefully. Confirm that the earning type is set to commission, check that the amount is correct, and make sure any pay period or note information matches the payment you intend to add. When everything looks right, click Save to store the commission entry on the employee's pay record. After the commission has been saved, run payroll as you normally do. You do not need a separate commission process after this point. As long as the commission entry was added correctly and saved before payroll is processed, the commission payment will be included in the employee's next paycheck. If payroll is not being run immediately, the saved commission entry will remain part of the employee's upcoming payroll details until that payroll is processed. That gives you a chance to confirm the entry again when reviewing payroll before submission. The employee commission is now added in Gusto and set to be included in the next paycheck.